Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, KMCJ TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to make curry chicken. So delicious, so easy, and it could be keto friendly. You don't have to use rice. You can use cauliflower rice instead of the white rice that I have here. So you're going to start with 4 large chicken breasts and just cut them up into bite-sized pieces. So the seasonings that I have is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. So you're going to go ahead and mix that all together. Make sure it's blended in very well. And for this recipe, you want to make sure you have all fresh ingredients because fresh ingredients is what absolutely makes this recipe. So I have 1 white onion, I have fresh parsley, I have green onion, I have 1 green bell pepper, and 1 yellow bell pepper for this recipe. So you're going to go ahead and take that chicken that you just seasoned and go ahead and put in that whole yellow and green bell peppers. Then you're going to go ahead and put in the green onion and the fresh parsley. And then that white onion that we cut up, we're only going to put in half of that onion because we're going to save the other half. So you're going to go ahead and mix this all up very well and just set it aside. So now you're going to go ahead and take a saucepan and put a little bit of vegetable oil or either olive oil, and you're going to take the rest of that white onion and you're going to cook that onion for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, you're going to go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of fresh garlic or minced garlic, whatever you prefer. And you're going to cook that for about 3 minutes. Make sure you don't burn the garlic, but you want to make sure you're cooking it. So after you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and add in a can of crushed tomatoes. And after you put in the can of crushed tomatoes, you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of pepper, and go ahead and give it a good mix. You still want your pan on about medium-high heat, and you want to make sure you just keep stirring and basically cooking the tomato sauce. So I cooked my tomato sauce for about 5 to 6 minutes. As you see, as it is cooking, it is going to get thicker and thicker, and basically that's what you want. You want the sauce to thicken and basically separate the tomatoes from the oil. So that's the consistency you're looking for right there. And once you're done, we're ready to add back in our chicken and our fresh vegetables that we had put aside. You're going to go ahead and give this a good mix, and we are going to cook this for 10 minutes and still on medium-high heat. Your chicken is cooked halfway through and it should look like this. You're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of chicken broth. Give it a good stir, and this is the point where you want to turn your stove on low. So cook this on low with a lid for 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, your chicken is completely done. It should look like this. So creamy. Ooh, look at that chicken. So you're going to go ahead and add in half a cup of heavy whipping cream just to make it even more creamier and more delicious. Go ahead and give it a good mix and continue to cook this on low for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is completely done, and look at that. I was extra and added in an extra handful of fresh parsley. You don't have to, but I had a whole handful that I bought from the store, so might as well use it. Anyway, you're completely done. You can eat this plain. You can eat this with white rice. For my keto goers, you can go ahead and use cauliflower rice. However you want to eat this is totally up to you. I just want to thank you guys for watching another video. Comment below how the recipe was, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, anything like that. Also, if you want to recommend any more recipes, I really love you guys' idea. Have a great day, and thanks again for watching. Bye.